Hey everyone! Ever heard of soursop tea? It's this crazy fruit that kind of looks like a spiky green grenade, but don't worry, it tastes way better. And guess what? People have been brewing it into tea for ages, saying it has a ton of health benefits. I'm talking about boosting your immune system, chilling you out, and maybe even helping with some bigger stuff. I know, it seems too good to be true. Well, that's why I'm here today. We're gonna dive deep into the world of soursop tea, see if it really lives up to the hype, and find out how to make this super drink ourselves. Stick around and let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried soursop tea before. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Soursop tea, made from the leaves of the soursop tree, is a popular herbal drink known for its potential health benefits, especially boosting immunity. This tea is packed with antioxidants, which are substances that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals can cause damage to your cells and weaken your immune system. By reducing this damage, antioxidants help your immune system stay strong and ready to tackle infections. One of the key compounds in soursop tea is called acetogenin. Studies have shown that acetogenins have antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. This means they reduce inflammation and fight viruses, both of which are crucial for a healthy immune response. Additionally, soursop tea is rich in vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant known for boosting immunity. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against infections. So drinking soursop tea can give your immune system an extra boost, helping you stay healthy and fight illnesses more effectively. Number 2. Improves digestive health. Alright, let's talk about how soursop tea can do wonders for your tummy. Soursop tea contains natural compounds that ease digestion. These compounds relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for food to move through and reducing that uncomfortable bloating feeling. Plus, soursop tea has fiber, which sweeps out any leftovers and keeps things tidy. Soursop tea also has antimicrobial properties. That means it can kill any harmful bacteria and keep your digestive system clean and healthy. Research has shown that soursop tea can target specific types of bacteria, like the ones that cause food poisoning or stomach infections. So not only does soursop tea help with digestion, but also acts as a protective shield, keeping your gut safe from invaders. With all these benefits packed into one delicious drink, it's no wonder soursop tea has been a go-to remedy for digestive woes for centuries. Why not give it a shot and tell me how things turn out? Number 3. Anti-cancer properties. Soursop contains some pretty powerful compounds that researchers believe could fight against cancer. One of these compounds is ananaceous acetogenins. They have been studied for their ability to target and destroy cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. It's like they have a built-in GPS that guides them straight to the troublemakers. But how does it work? Well, these acetogenins disrupt the production of ATP, which is like the energy currency of cells, specifically in cancer cells. Without ATP, cancer cells cannot survive. It's like cutting off their power supply, leaving them weak and vulnerable. Soursop tea also contains other compounds like quinolones and alkaloids, which have anti-cancer properties as well. They work by interfering with the growth and spread of cancer cells, kind of like putting up roadblocks to stop them in their tracks. Now, I'm not saying soursop tea is a miracle cure for cancer. However, studies have shown promising results, with some suggesting that soursop extract could slow down the growth of certain types of cancer cells. It's still early though, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits. Number 4. Supports weight loss. Soursop tea contains certain compounds that regulate your hunger hormones, making you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to snack mindlessly or overeat during meals, which can really make a difference when trying to shed those extra pounds. Plus, soursop tea has a unique flavor profile that can satisfy your cravings without the need for added sugars or artificial sweeteners. It has a slightly tangy taste with hints of sweetness, making it a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks or desserts. So instead of reaching for that candy bar or sugary coffee drink, you can sip some delicious soursop tea and feel good about your choice. But wait, there's more. Studies suggest that certain compounds in soursop tea actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. For example, one study found that soursop extract increases the activity of enzymes involved in fat metabolism, potentially leading to greater fat burning. And let's not forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is key for overall health and weight management, and soursop tea is a great way to up your fluid intake without adding extra calories. Number 5. Lower blood pressure. Soursop tea contains compounds that relax your blood vessels. Your blood vessels are like little tubes that carry blood around your body. Sometimes they can get all tense and tight, which makes it hard for blood to flow smoothly. But soursop tea swoops in like a Zen master, calming those vessels and allowing blood to flow more freely. It's all thanks to compounds called alkaloids and flavonoids. These guys have been shown to have a relaxing effect on blood vessels, helping to lower blood pressure levels. Soursop tea also contains potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium balances out the effects of sodium in your body. When sodium levels are too high, it can cause your blood pressure to spike. But don't worry, potassium steps in like a superhero, keeping sodium in check and preventing those blood pressure spikes. Number 6. Natural pain relief. If you ever had one of those days where everything aches, you might want to give soursop tea a try. Soursop leaves are packed with compounds like acetogenins and alkaloids, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Simply put, they help reduce inflammation, which is often the culprit behind pain, and can even block pain signals in your body. When you drink soursop tea, these compounds work by inhibiting the pain signals that your nerves send to your brain. This process is similar to how some pain medications work, but with soursop tea, you are doing it the natural way. Plus, since soursop tea is loaded with antioxidants, it helps reduce overall inflammation, making you feel more comfortable and at ease. And let's not forget the relaxing effect of sipping a warm cup of tea. The simple act of taking a moment for yourself, with the added benefit of pain-relieving compounds, can make a world of difference on those tough days. So next time you're feeling sore or achy, consider brewing some soursop tea. It might just become your new favorite way to relax and find relief. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. When you drink soursop tea, polyphenols work by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells absorb sugar from your bloodstream to use as energy. If your cells are more sensitive to insulin, they can do this job better and keep your blood sugar levels more stable. But that's not all. Soursop tea also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This means you would not experience those nasty spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels after meals. Instead, you get a more steady and sustained release of energy. Some studies are backing this up too. A study published in the journal Folia Medica Indonesiana found that soursop extract reduces blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. While we still need more research on humans to confirm these benefits, it is definitely a promising start. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 8. Improves skin health. Soursop tea is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help your skin look and feel amazing. One of the key players here is vitamin C. You've probably heard about how great vitamin C is for your skin, right? Well, soursop tea has plenty of it. Vitamin C boosts collagen production. Collagen is this super important protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. More collagen means fewer wrinkles and fine lines. And who does not want that? But that's not all. The antioxidants in soursop tea, like the ones we talked about earlier for boosting immunity, also work wonders for your skin. They fight free radicals, the molecules that can cause damage to your skin cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants prevent signs of aging and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your skin health, soursop tea might just be the answer. Number 9. Reduces stress and anxiety. Have you ever had one of those days when everything just seemed too much to handle? Well, soursop tea might be your new best friend. This tea is packed with compounds that have natural calming effects on your body and mind. One of the big players here is something called tryptophan. This is an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate your mood. Higher serotonin levels mean you feel calmer and happier. Soursop tea also contains alkaloids and flavonoids. These compounds have sedative properties, which can help you unwind after a long day. They work by interacting with your brain's receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. In a study published in the journal Metabolic Brain Disease, researchers found that soursop extract had significant anti-anxiety effects in animal models. The study suggested that these effects were due to the presence of these calming compounds, which regulate the central nervous system. So, next time you're feeling stressed out or anxious, try brewing a cup of soursop tea. Number 10. Improve cognitive function and memory. Soursop tea is packed with antioxidants, especially vitamins C and E. These antioxidants protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is like rust for your brain. Oxidative stress can damage your brain cells and mess with your memory and cognitive functions. By drinking soursop tea, you're giving your brain a shield against this damage, helping it stay healthy and sharp. Soursop tea also contains compounds called acetogenins. They are known for their neuroprotective properties. They keep your brain cells safe and sound by reducing inflammation and boosting cell survival. Inflammation in the brain can lead to cognitive decline and memory issues, so keeping that in check is super important. Another cool thing about soursop tea is that it contains natural compounds that improve blood circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients get to your brain, which helps it function better. Plus, it's a delicious way to stay healthy and focused. What's not to love about that? Give it a shot and see if you can spot the difference. Number 11. Promotes good vision. Soursop tea contains vitamin A, another superstar nutrient for our eye health. Vitamin A is super important for keeping your vision sharp, especially when it's dark. It helps your eyes produce pigments essential for vision and supports the health of the cornea, the outermost layer of your eye. So by drinking soursop tea, you are not only getting a tasty beverage, but also a natural source of vitamins that support your vision. And if you spend a lot of time staring at screens, you might experience eye strain and fatigue. Soursop tea can alleviate these symptoms. The anti-inflammatory properties of the tea reduce the inflammation that often accompanies eye strain, providing relief and comfort. Moreover, healthy blood circulation is crucial for good vision. Soursop tea contains compounds that improve blood flow, ensuring that your eyes receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Better circulation helps maintain the health of your retina and other vital parts of your eye. This can be especially beneficial for people with conditions that affect blood circulation, like diabetes. Number 12. Enhances exercise performance. Antioxidants in soursop tea, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, neutralize free radicals produced during exercise, which can cause oxidative stress and contribute to muscle fatigue. By reducing oxidative stress, soursop tea improves endurance and delays the onset of fatigue during prolonged exercise sessions. Additionally, soursop tea contains potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function and electrolyte balance. Potassium regulates muscle contractions and prevents cramping, which can be beneficial for athletes and individuals engaging in intense physical activity. Including soursop tea in your pre-workout or post-workout routine supports muscle function and recovery. Adding soursop tea into your exercise regimen can be a delicious and effective way to enhance performance and promote overall well-being. Whether enjoyed before, during, or after exercise, soursop tea offers a natural and nutritious beverage option that can help you stay hydrated, energized, and ready to tackle your fitness goals. Number 13. Supports bone health. Soursop tea is loaded with minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are like the building blocks of your bones, helping them grow and stay dense. Calcium in particular is crucial for maintaining bone strength and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. But that's not all. Soursop tea also contains vitamin K, which plays a big role in bone metabolism. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium levels in your bones, making sure they get deposited where needed most. This prevents calcium from leaching out of your bones, keeping them strong and healthy. Now, this is where things start to get super cool. Soursop tea contains compounds called acetogenins, which have been studied for their potential bone-boosting effects. These acetogenins not only help fight bad stuff like inflammation, but also stimulate the activity of cells called osteoblasts. Osteoblasts are the bone builders in your body, responsible for laying down new bone tissue. So by revving up their activity, soursop tea promotes bone formation and repair. Number 14, promotes healthy hair. We all want those Rapunzel-worthy locks, right? Well, soursop tea might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Soursop tea contains nutrients like vitamins A and B, which are essential for promoting hair growth and maintaining a healthy scalp. These vitamins nourish your hair follicles, encouraging them to produce stronger, longer strands, and its antimicrobial properties keep your scalp squeaky clean, warding off any dandruff or scalp infections. Plus, it helps to balance the pH level of your scalp, creating an environment that is just right for your hair to thrive. Soursop tea also stimulates circulation. When you drink soursop tea, those circulation-boosting compounds get to work, sending a rush of blood flow to your scalp. And why is that important? Well, better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your hair follicles, promoting healthy growth and preventing hair loss. So whether you're dealing with dry, damaged hair, struggling with scalp issues, or just want to boost your hair growth game, soursop tea has got you covered. Feeling pumped about the superpowers of soursop tea? You totally should. It's like a superhero drink straight from nature, packed with all the good stuff that can do wonders for your health. And guess what? Making it yourself is super easy. First, grab some fresh soursop leaves. You can find these easily at your local market or health food store. Once you've got them, give them a good rinse under the tap to get rid of any dirt. Now let's get brewing. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a gentle boil on the stove. Once it's bubbling away, turn down the heat so it's just simmering. Toss in those clean soursop leaves and let them hang out in the simmering water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is where all the magic happens, with the leaves releasing their goodness into the water. If you want to jazz it up, a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey and some cinnamon works great. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious cup of soursop tea made right in your kitchen. Sip it and feel those superpowers kicking in. And hey, do not forget to share your soursop tea adventures with us in the comments below. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!